Okay, I will sell this 15 kilowatt generator for $9.95. I will sell 5 of them and 5 only. You order it, you'll get it. It's 15 kilowatts, and I'm only doing this because we're in a situation with the Chinese and getting magnets and being able to deliver these products. I've got them. I'm going to deliver them. I'm going to have to build them, and I'm going to have to order the magnets, but you're going to have to get 15 kilowatts for $995. That's it. 5 of them, and as soon as people order it, and that's what we're going to give them. If you want it, you're going to have to order it. You're going to have to transfer the money tomorrow, and that's the end of it. And once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not selling another one at $9.95. This is a one-shot deal. If you want it, you should get it tomorrow. You can see how fast it turns. You can see, you know what I've developed, and you know what these things will do. They're as solid as they come. I've never had one returned. Every one that I've ever built is still out there running. And this is since 2006. Order it tomorrow. You're going to get it on the 13th of May, and that's it. After that, none of them are going to be sold for that price ever again.